The wait is over. Samsung has just dropped the One UI 8 watch update, and it's not just an upgrade, it's a glow-up for your wrist. Sleeker, smarter, and more alive than ever, the Galaxy Watch 7 is stepping into a whole new era of Wear OS magic. After more than a month of beta testing, the stable One UI 8 watch is officially rolling out, starting in South Korea. Beta users are already celebrating, and the rest of the world? Your turn is just around the corner. This update, build number L310XXU1BYI, weighs in at around 160 megabytes. It also brings the September security patch, because yes, even your wrist needs good cybersecurity hygiene. Now let's talk design. One UI 8 watch introduces a refreshed interface with a new Now bar that makes multitasking feel seamless. Gestures, sharper and smoother. Notifications, smarter and cleaner. Even the charging animation got a facelift, because your watch deserves to look good even when it's taken a nap. And for those who like their tech with a dash of personality, there's a buffet of new watch faces. Minimal, sporty, elegant, whatever your vibe, there's a face to match it. Your Galaxy Watch 7 just became your mood ring. On the health front, One UI 8 watch brings a wave of innovation. Say hello to the Antioxidant Index, Vascular Load, Running Coach, and Bedtime Guidance. It's like having a mini health lab, personal trainer, and sleep scientist all strapped to your wrist, minus the judgment. With Wear OS 6 at its core and Samsung's design magic on top, the Galaxy Watch 7 just became smarter, faster, and more in tune with you. The update is rolling out region by region, so if you haven't seen it yet, don't worry, it's on its way. What do you think about the new One UI 8 watch features? Drop your thoughts below, and if you're new here, don't forget to tap that bell icon because your next tech fix might just be a heartbeat away. This is your digital pulse on the latest tech. Stay curious, stay synced, and remember, it's not just a watch, it's a lifestyle on your wrist.